Hey, beautiful friends, welcome. I'm Rebecca. This is Body Illumination. This practice today, we're going to go inward. We're doing lots of somatics. So while we're in this practice, if you feel any emotions surface, that's what we want. We want the emotions to surface, to process. We're moving into different spaces in the body, just like an animal would. Okay, we're getting out of the mind and going into the body. Today's practice, you need a couple of blocks. If you don't have a block, you can use pillows, and books will work just as well. And you can modify without as well with your head on the floor. So we're going to start in child's pose. I'm going to use 2 blocks and I'm going to keep them stacked this way. 1 block is fine. But you want to keep, we're going to do some movements with our head on the block. So you want to have some width. So if you're using it this way, you might want to get another block, make sure that you can roll from side to side, okay? Demonstrate, you're gonna take your forehead onto the block. So you can build it up as high as you want or as wide as you want. Just make sure that your forehead is supported. You could also use a pillow here as well, or even a big book, okay? And then just arrive here on the mat. Just take a moment and notice no judgment at all. And in your mind's eye, I want you to just visualize as you breathe the expansion of the ribs, okay? So what we're really focusing on are the lungs, okay? So inhaling nice and wide across the lungs, and visualize them pressing outward. And exhale. And then visualize the lungs expanding on the back side of your body. So really 3-dimensionally, okay? On your next inhale, feel the front side, laterally, posteriorly, feel that expansion. Now, you don't necessarily have to change anything. You can just stay with the visualization and then play with the physical part of it, okay? Again, inhale wide through the ribs. Then go ahead and take your left hand behind your head. And on this breath, you're going to take the elbow down. On the inhale, you're going to feel that left side body get really expansive and lift the arm up and then lower it down. Again, inhale, expand, lift that arm up. Notice what's going on in the shoulder, in the neck, and then lower it down towards the block. And let's do that one more time here. Lift and lower. And set your arm down, and let's go on to the right side, okay? Elbow hugs in towards the block. Inhale, lift. Exhale and lower, nice and slow, not a big movement. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower. Now pay attention to that opposite shoulder as this arm lifts up. See if you can soften through that other shoulder, and just be aware of it, okay? Exhale, lower that hand down into the earth and pause here. Notice if there's any tension in the shoulders and the neck, right through this region here. Left hand behind your head. Now the elbow stays in, it hugs the block. Inhale, lift the arm up. Exhale, slowly lower. Okay, just feel sensations on the left side of your neck and the right side of your neck. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale and lift. Notice if your breathing is shifting. Exhale and lower. No judgment, friends. We're just taking our body off of autopilot, okay? Right hand comes behind our head. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale and lower. Inhale, lift. Hold it up for a moment. Notice what's going on in the left hand side of your body, the shoulder, the neck, the face, and lower down. Okay, both hands are down in towards the mat. Soften, soften, soften. Feel the breath expand. Left hand comes behind your head. Inhale, lift, then push and roll. Look over towards the left and come on down. So you're rolling on your forehead, okay? Inhale, lift. Now roll towards the right temple. You can keep your eyes closed or not. And lower back down. And do that one more time. Inhale, lift the arm, roll, and then lower back down. So you're getting some nice massage through the forehead as well. Now we're going to change that again. Ready? Arm lifts, roll, and then push, 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 push. Come on up. Stretch. Feel the stretch. Bend the arm, lower yourself back onto your temple. Roll. Okay, 2 more of those, okay? Roll onto the right temple. Arm lifts up. Come on up. Come back down. And then come down. And the arm drops down, last piece. Okay, one more time. First piece, second, press and reverse it. Come on down. Look down, and then the arm drops. Okay, take that down. Pause here, take the arms forward. And let's change sides. Okay, right hand behind your head. Hug in towards the block to start. And then lift the arm up. Pivot, so you're looking to your right. Come back down and lower it back down. Arm comes up, inhale. Roll on your forehead over to the temple. Come back towards center and come on down. Again, arm lifts up. Roll to your left. Feel that nice little massage right into your temples. Come towards center and lower back down. Now adding that extension in this left arm, okay? We're going to lift the right arm up, roll onto your temple, press and lift up. Feel that nice stretch through the whole side body and that twist. Come back down, lower yourself down into the earth. Roll towards center and drop the arm. Just 2 more of those, okay? Right arm lifts, roll, push, lift, lift, lift. Notice any sensations. Drop down onto your temple, roll to your forehead, and lower the arm. And last one, ready? You're gonna lift the arm, roll towards the temple, press up. Bend the arm, lower onto your temple, roll, and lower. And push both hands into the earth. Okay, push into the earth, come all the way up to sit. Let's have a seat, crisscross your legs, and if you're uncomfortable, you're welcome to sit up on a block or a pillow or a chair, okay? And then sit up nice and tall, okay? Look from side to side. Let out a nice sigh. Ha! Bring your hands to your heart. Om Shanti, 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 Namaste. Namaste, friends. If you have time, maybe take a little bit of relaxation, restorative rest on your back, or maybe in a chair, whatever you can do. Just close your eyes and let this permeate and marinate into your body. If you're interested in more of these, then definitely put Somatics, yes, type it in below, and I will share more practices with you. I'm very excited to share with you that I now have an exclusive membership on both YouTube and on Patreon for those of you who need a little extra support on your wellness journey. And I also am thrilled to share with you a free weekly calendar to make your life easier and your practices more regular. Namaste, my beautiful friends.